In this video you will see how to type X bar in Excel. There are 3 easy methods. Let's get started. In the first method, click on the Insert tab, and at the right hand side you will see here the option Equation. Click on it and select the first option. Delete all this. Under the Design tab, click on Accent, and here you will see the option Overbar, also called as Overline. Click on it, and in the box just type X. To remove the italics, select X with the bar, and under the Home tab click on Italics option to remove the italics. In the next method, type X, click on the Insert tab, and you will see here the option Symbol. Click on it and select here Normal Text. Under the subset, select Combining Diacritical Mark, and you will see here the option Overline. Click on it to select it and click Insert to write X bar in Excel. Third method is a shortcut. Just go to your browser and type X bar symbol. Copy the symbol and paste it inside the Excel. Click on that like button if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.